Hey guys, today we're doing chicken cheese steak on top of this griddle. I'll try to go over everything as fast as I can. I'm losing light, so hopefully this video turns out all right. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to start right here. Took about 3 pounds of chicken thighs, and I've been soaking them in olive oil in these bags for about the past half hour. All I did was remove the excess junk from it, the gristle, the fat, bone, skin, all that stuff. Got it chunked up. Now you can use chicken breast here if you want to, but thighs obviously have a better taste with meat. And chicken breasts tend to dry out, so I mean, you do with what you feel comfortable doing, and I suggest the thighs. My veggies today, I just prepped some green pepper, red onion, and some mushrooms. Got them all sliced up on the mandolin. So this is what will be going on. For the cheese, just using some smoked provolone. And for the mayo, Duke's. Is there really any other anyway? Seasoning on my chicken, best seasoning I've ever found for chicken right here in Ray's Rub. You can't ask for a better flavor than this. Look them up and buy a bottle and try it out yourself. Hey guys, first thing we're going to do, get down some canola oil here, dump our veggies, and a little bit more on top. We'll come in, hit it with Ray's Rub, and do a pretty generous coating here. About 3 minutes in on the veggies, looking pretty good. I'm moving over to the other side here, which I normally serve as a warming station because I've had this over high heat, but now I have turned it off, so it serves as a good warmer. I'll spray some more canola down, bump us up to a medium-high heat. Gonna get our chicken down. Come in and hit it with Ray's Rub. And I'll do the same thing on the other side after I flip it. Alright, coming back in on the other side with Ray's Rub. If you haven't tried Ray's Rub, you really need to, because I have not found a better seasoning for chicken than this. Of course, it's all purpose. It does a lot of things really well. Alright, off camera, I'm putting some mayo on these hoagie rolls. I'm going to slap all them down here just to toast up the inside. Our chicken's looking done here. We're going to do a little mix. One more quick hit here with Ray's Rub. Chicken does take a while. I'll note here that I have had the chicken on for about 10 minutes already. I'm going to make this nice and cheesy. I mean cheesy. Because that's cheese steak without cheese. I'll spray a little coat here and right down the side. Put our basting cover on. See what happens there. Mayo does a pretty good job toasting bread, folks. I always used to use butter, but Mayo does a fantastic job. I'm here to say that. While that cheese is melting, go ahead and come in here, hit all these tops with a little more mayo. Our bread's toasted up about where I want it, so I'm going to put this Blackstone warming rack down. Look at that, folks. That is a thing of beauty. Oh, yes. You guys like that burnt cheese too? Some of my favorite whenever it crisps up like that. Look at that, y'all. This is the money shot. Oh, yes. Look at that. Let's get this over here on these sandwiches. All that cheese melted on that griddle, and look how clean it comes. It cleans up so easy. If you don't have a Blackstone, you should get yourself one. Take a look at these cheese steaks, baby. Oh my lord. How cheesy that is. Time to get a bite. Alright, folks. Look at this cheese steak right here. Made chicken, nice gooey, melty cheese. I'll tell you what, I'm not a humongous fan of chicken, but if you use chicken thighs, it stays nice and moist. Can't get much better than that. You guys really need to try this out. Try out Ray's Rub and get yourself some of that. We'll see you on the next episode of West Virginia Smoking and Grilling and Outdoors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment if you have anything to say, share this on any social media outlet you desire. We'll see you on the next one.